Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch. I'm at Couture 2023 in Las Vegas with Grand Seiko, and I just want to chat for a couple of minutes about the Tentagraph. This is a very exciting mechanical chronograph from Grand Seiko, and we have a lot more content on the aBlogtoWatch.com website, but just a quick highlights. First of all, let's look at the size. This is actually quite small for what you get. This is a very special movement which does a lot of things for the first time. It is the first mechanical chronograph from Grand Seiko. It operates at 5 Hertz. It's the only one that has a full 3 days of power reserve. It's a modular movement, but very thin, and it gets rid of all the problems that you would normally associate with modularity, which is loss in amplitude. It's very consistent rate. The chronograph pushers are in the right place, and the entire package of the base movement plus the module is only about 8 millimeters thick, so they did a really great job there. This is really now the mechanical chronograph to beat. It is so high performing in terms of the accuracy, in terms of the precision, in terms of how nice it looks, in terms of the size. Grand Seiko really did something important here. We're going to see a lot of versions of the Tentagraph, I believe, in the future, and the debut version, it's really something very sporty from Grand Seiko. You have the aggressive angular case, the ceramic bezel, the nice wearing size, of course titanium. So read more about the Grand Seiko Tentagraph and everything about the exciting new movement on aBlogtoWatch. This particular piece costs $13,800. Thanks so much.